Have you heard about the potential dangers and side effects of apple cider vinegar?
Yes, I have. Apple cider vinegar is generally safe, but there are some risks to be aware of.
What are some of the potential dangers?
Well, for starters, apple cider vinegar is acidic, which can irritate your esophagus and cause digestive issues such as heartburn and stomach upset.
That doesn't sound good. What else should I know?
The acid in apple cider vinegar can also erode tooth enamel over time, and it can interfere with potassium levels in the body, which can be problematic for some people.
Wow, I had no idea. Are there any other risks I should be aware of?
Apple cider vinegar may also interact with certain medications, so it's essential to talk to your doctor before consuming it if you take any medications.
That's good to know. How can I consume apple cider vinegar safely?
Always dilute apple cider vinegar with water before consuming it. Use a straw to minimize contact with your teeth, and start with a small amount if you're new to it.
Thanks for the tips! I'll be sure to consume apple cider vinegar safely from now on.
That's a lot of emotion there. It's important to be aware of the potential risks and consume it in moderation.
like, 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 like.